If Opera is showing you error code 87, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple fix that can help restore your network settings and get Opera working properly again. This is a common Windows-related issue, and the good news is that you can often fix it without reinstalling the browser or making any complicated changes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is open the Start menu, then type CMD into the search bar. When command prompt appears, right-click it and choose Run as administrator. This step is important because the commands we're about to use need administrator access to make system-level changes. Once command prompt opens, you're going to enter the first command exactly as shown, netsh int IP reset. Press enter and let Windows process the reset. This command helps restore your IP stack back to its default state. Next, type the second command, netsh int IPv6 reset. Press enter again. This resets your IPv6 configuration, which can help clear out network issues that may be affecting Opera. After that, type the third command, netsh Winsock reset. Press enter one more time. This resets the Winsock catalog, which is often one of the most effective steps when a browser is having connection problems or network errors. After all three commands have been run, the next thing you need to do is restart your computer immediately. Don't skip this part because the restart forces Windows to apply the fresh socket assignments and rebuild the network settings properly. Once your PC comes back on, if the issue is still there, we'll move on to the next part of the fix. Right-click the Start menu again and open Device Manager. In Device Manager, look for network adapters and double-click it to expand the list. Now find WAN Miniport, IP, right-click it and choose Uninstall Device. If prompted, confirm the uninstall. After that, repeat the same process for WAN Miniport, IPv6, and WAN Miniport, PPTP. These virtual network adapters can sometimes become corrupted, and removing them allows Windows to rebuild them cleanly. Once you've uninstalled those items, go to the top menu bar and click Action, then choose Scan for hardware changes. Windows will now detect the missing adapters and automatically reinstall a fresh copy of those drivers. This can help clear out whatever is causing Opera error codes 87 and give your network stack a clean restart. After that, close Device Manager and test Opera again. In many cases, the error should now be gone and the browser should work normally. If it's fixed, great, you're all set. And if this video helped it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more troubleshooting guides on the channel for easy step-by-step Windows solutions.